I thought I'd show just a close-up of what my cradle looks like that'll hold the boat in the process of putting padding on each bunk. But so what I did is I've got 8 wheels. See if I can get out here. 8 wheels, and I mounted them, you can see, on boards that sit sideways, and then I have vertical boards, and boards that is horizontal, and then vertical boards bolted. Let's see if I can show that. Bolted to the horizontal boards, and then the wheels are just right underneath there in the middle, and they are bolted on. Each of the wheels is rated at 450 or 500 pounds. And then I've got vertical 2x6s there that are bolted in that hold the bunks. And the angle of the bunks, I actually checked the angle of the boat in the different places where this will be. Try to make these match as best I could. And up here, I didn't actually cut the angles of these quite as steeply, and then I was able to actually pound some wedges in there. I attached kind of this side, and then I was able to pound some wedges in there and get it actually close to where it needs to be. So kind of forced the 2x6s, these are 2x6 bunks, and just twisted them. And you can see I've got at each of these sides here, I've got 2 bolts here to keep the whole thing from twisting, and then these vertical members are bolted in. So I'm trying to keep it because you don't want everything to fall over. And so these are just 2x4s on the outside. And also what I did is I rounded off these edges a little bit with my sander, all the kind of inner and the outer edges and the ends with my belt sander, just to, in case the boat, or in case the wood was cupped a little bit. And then I'm using just some foam padding for the boat to sit on. So that is my cradle. And the reason I made it so strong is, or to hold so much weight, is, I mean, the boat with the engine in it's going to be over 2,000 pounds, and this will be holding all that weight. Engine transmission is going to add somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000-ish pounds, plus or minus. And then the boat itself weighs, just the boat will weigh, without anything in it, close to 1,000. So it'll actually be probably 2,500 pounds or more when it's done. So that's my cradle.